यस फारिद।
सर आपने अनम्यूट किया है मुझे।
जी
आपने अनम्यूट किया है मुझे।
अच्छा, कुछ कहना नहीं है आपने?
नहीं सर।
ओके। अब्दुल राफी, यस एनीथिंग डू यू वांट टू आस्क?
यस सर, वो सर ये पूछ रहा था, ये जो आपने रिकॉर्डिंग डालते हैं लेक्चर्स की, तो वो 30 to 40 मिनट का सिर्फ स्लॉट आ रहा होता है, बाकी की जो रिकॉर्डिंग होती है वो नहीं आ रही होती उधर, तो ये बता दें कि वो कैसे आएगी ना, मतलब वो आ ही नहीं रही होती, बस एक ही स्लॉट आ रहा होता है 36 to 40 मिनट का।
हाँ, वो एक ही स्लॉट उसमें डालते हैं। तो अब देखें, अब उन्होंने कुछ किया है मजीद स्लॉट डालने के लिए, तो अब इंशाल्लाह मजीद स्लॉट भी पूरी पूरी डाला करेंगे। अब हम पूरी जो है रिकॉर्डिंग डाला करेंगे इंशाल्लाह। अब उन्होंने कुछ किया है, उसके कुछ लिमिट बढ़ाई है।
जैसे सर वो बुक का जो सॉफ्ट कॉपी आप कह रहे थे वो भी शेयर कर दीजिएगा।
है
बुक की सॉफ्ट कॉपी आप कह रहे थे ना वो शेयर करने को, वो भी कर दीजिएगा।
सॉफ्ट कॉपी? किस चीज की सॉफ्ट कॉपी? किस चीज की सॉफ्ट कॉपी बेटा? जी, किस चीज की सॉफ्ट सॉफ्ट कॉपी की बात कर रहे हैं आप?
सर
सर
बुक
बुक का
बोल
पीडीएफ।
रहा हूँ।
हैं?
बुक का पीडीएफ।
बुक बेटा उस पे मौजूद है ना, मैं क्या शेयर करूंगा? वो एलएमएस पे मौजूद है, आप अपने कोर्स पे जाएं, वहाँ बुक आपको नजर आ जाएगी। आप कोर्स पे तो जाते ही नहीं है ना, एलएमएस पे जाते ही नहीं है, प्राइवेट
सर
ज्वाइन
एलएमएस
करते हैं, सब कुछ उस पे
अभी भी
मौजूद
एलएमएस
है।
पे चेक किया मैंने, एलएमएस पे, लेकिन एलएमएस में नहीं है।
हाँ है, मैंने खुद देखी है बेटा, तुम कैसे कह रहे हो नहीं है? हमने खुद डाली है, तो जब है डाली है तो वो है ना वहाँ।
जी जी सर, है, बुक है।
बुक है बिल्कुल, उस पर लिंक दिया हुआ है, हर चीज है उस पर लिंक, आप देखते ही नहीं हो ना। सैयद मोहम्मद हमजा रजा 62381। Okay, so this is the question. Hamza Shafi 61459. The center of the circle, the center is on the line 2y is equal to 3x, and the circle is tangent to the y-axis, and the radius of the circle is 2. These three things are given. The center is not given, but it is given center is on the line 2y is equal to 3x. This is the equation of the line on which the center is present. And the second thing is given, circle is tangent to the y-axis. And third is radius of the circle is 2. So if we draw the circle by using this information, circle is tangent to the y-axis. Center is on the line. This might be. This might be the line whose equation is given 2y is equal to 3x. On this line may be somewhere. Circle is tangent to the y-axis. This is tangent to the circle here. This might be the center. Tangent to the circle. tangent to the y-axis. And the length of the radius is 2. This might be the sketch of the circle. This is the line, 2y is equal to 3x. So center will be on this line. Circle is tangent to the circle. Suppose this is the center. Circle is tangent to the y-axis. It is touching the y-axis. Tangent means the touching the y-axis. So it is touching the y-axis. When the circle is touching to the y-axis, so the radius, that means the line from the center to the touching point must be perpendicular. So this is perpendicular. The line from the center to the tangent always be perpendicular. So this is perpendicular. When it is perpendicular to the y-axis, it means this is parallel to the x-axis. It is parallel to the x-axis. Radius is 2. So this length is 2. It means up to here, this is the distance 2. So the x, this is the center. So x coordinate of the center will be 2. X coordinate of the center will be 2. Muhammad Asif Khan, 62998. Okay. Kausar Bilal, 64211. So this will be, when this is 2, radius is 2, it is given radius is 2. Center is on this line. So this is the center on the line. It is 2, radius is 2. So that means the x coordinate from here to here, it is 2. We will find the y coordinate of the center. So y coordinate will be put the value of x over there because center is on this line. When the x is 2, what will be the value of y? 2y is equal to 3x. So 2y will be equal to 3 into 2 because the x coordinate is 2. So 2y is equal to 6. Y is equal to 6 upon 2. So y is equal to 3. Therefore, center x was 2, y is 3. 2, 3. And radius is 2. That is already given, radius is 2. So center is 2, 3. So now we will use the formula of the equation of the circle to find the equation of the circle. When the center is given, radius is given. We already know how to find. Now this is Abdul Bari, 10233. Now Shah Muhammad Azhar, Haider Ali, they were present in the last session, but still they are not returned. Shah Muhammad Azhar and Haider Ali. They were present in the last session, but they are not present in this session. Okay. So we will use the same formula. We will use the same formula what we have already done when the center and the radius are given. Now we'll use that formula. Center is 2, 3, radius is 2. Center is 2, 3, radius is 2. So equation of the circle, x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to r square 2 square. Opens x square minus 4x plus 4 plus y square minus 6y plus 9 is equal to 4. Now x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 4 plus 9 minus 4 equal to 0. 4 is cancelled by 4. So x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 9 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the circle. This is the equation of the circle. X square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 9 is equal to 0. So from question number 1 up to question number 10, we form the equation. We formed the equation. We determined the equation by the given data. Now from question number 11, the equations are given. From question number 11, equations are given. We will find the center and the radius. Now opposite of the question which we have done, that is the converse of that. In those questions, the center and the radius were given and we were finding the equation. Now the equation is given, we will find the center, coordinates of the center and the length of the radius. Question number 11 we will do. Have you understood up to here? Have you understood up to here? Okay. Now we'll proceed further. Question number 11. Find the coordinate of the center and the radius. Question number 11. X square plus y square minus 2gx minus x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y plus 2 equal to 0. Sorry, minus 2 equal to 0. X square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y minus 2 equal to 0. So first of all, we will check whether the equation is in standard form or not. So how to check? It must be equal to 0. So it is already equal to 0. The second thing we have to check, the coefficients of x square and y square should be 1. There should be plus, both must be plus, and the coefficient should be 1, plus 1. So it is already the coefficients of x square and y square are plus 1. So these two things are to be checked. It must be equal to 0 first. The second thing, the coordinates, the coefficients of x square and y square must be plus 1. So that is already plus 1. So it is in the standard form. Now how to find? If it is not in the standard form, it is equal to something. So we have to shift all the things on the right side, on the left side, so that on the right side will be equal to 0. And number second, if there is some coefficient, not 1, there may be 2, or there may be 3, or whatever it is. So we have to divide by the coefficient, so that the coefficient of x square or y square should become 1. Izhar Kareem, 63604. Okay. So when it is in standard form, we will find the center, the formula for the center, the coefficient of x divided by -2, comma, the coefficient of y divided by -2. Simplify this one, 1, 1. The coordinates of the center will become 1, 1. In this way, we will find the coordinate of the center. Now, how to find the radius? Radius will be equal to under root the square of the x coordinate plus the square of the y coordinate of the centers minus C, the constant in the equation, that is -2. So minus it will become +2. So the answer will become 1 + 1 + 2. It is under root 4. That is 2. So radius is 2 and the coordinates of center are 1, 1. So these are the coordinates of the center. This is the radius. This is the method. This is the formula how to find the radius, the coordinates of the center and the length of the radius by using the standard equation. First we convert the equation in the standard form. Then we will find the center, the coordinate, coefficient of x divided by -2, whatever be the coefficient of x divided by -2. Then the coefficient of y divided by -2. This will become 1, 1. These are the coordinates of the center. Then radius will become square of the x coordinate plus square of the y coordinate minus the constant. Minus the constant in the equation. That was -2. Minus, here is also minus c. So minus into -2 will become +2. So g square plus f square minus c whole under root. This is the radius. We will do another question. Question number 14. In question number 14, again we will find the coordinates of the center and the length of the radius. X square plus y square plus 2x plus 6y plus 3 equal to 0. Plus 2x plus 6y plus 3 equal to 0. So first of all, we will check whether the equation is in standard form or not. If it is not in standard form, we must change into the standard form. So this is equal to 0. And the second point, x square and y square, the coefficient of x square and y square should be +1, +1. That's also clear. So this is in standard form. Now we'll find the center. So the coefficient of x will be 2, +2, divided by -2. Whatever be the coefficient, we have to divide by -2. This is the formula. Comma. Coefficient of y, that is +6, divided by -2. So the centers are -1, comma -3. These are the coordinates of the center. Now we'll find the radius. Radius is equal to under root square of x coefficient. So -1 square plus the square of the y coefficient -3 square minus c. C means the constant. This is +3. +3 minus into minus will be -3. So it is 1 plus 9 minus 3. The answer is under root 7. The answer is under root 7. Now We will do another question. Now I am doing question number 23. Question number 23. 4x square plus 4y square plus 12x plus 16y plus 5 equal to 0. Question number 23. 4x square plus 4y square. जी सैयद रजा.
सर ये जो आप रेडियस का जो फॉर्मूला सॉल्व कर रही हैं फॉर्मूला एक बार लिख देंगे प्लीज.
Radius is equal to under root g square plus f square minus c, where minus f, minus g and minus f are the coordinates of the center. So question number 23, 4x square plus 4y square plus 4y square plus 12x plus 16y plus 5. Find the center and the radius. Four x square plus 4y square plus 12x plus 16y plus 5 equal to 0. So first of all, we'll check whether it is the standard form or not. It must be equal to 0. So this is equal to 0. The first condition is okay. It is fulfilled, the first condition. Now the second condition, the coefficient of x square and y square should be equal to plus 1. So the second condition is not fulfilled. The coefficient of x square and y square are not plus 1. They are 4. So we will divide by 4 so that the coefficient will become 1. Dividing by 4, it will become x square plus y square plus 3x plus 4y plus 5 upon 4 equal to 0. If we divide by 4, it will become x square. Divide by 4, it will become y square. Divide by 4, it will become 3x. Divide by 4, it will become 4y. Divide by 4, it will become 5 upon 4 equal to 0. Now again we will check the first condition equal to 0, fulfilled. Second condition, the coefficient of x square and y square are plus 1, that also fulfilled. So it is the standard form. Now we first of all we find the center, coordinates of the center. The coefficient of x divided by minus 2, 3 upon minus 2. Coefficient of y divided by minus 2. So it became center minus 3 upon 2. And this is cancelled. Minus 2. Minus 3 upon 2 and minus 2 are the center. Now we'll find the radius. Radius is equal to under root The square of the x coordinate minus 3 upon 2 whole square plus the square of the y coordinate minus 2 whole square and minus c. C is the constant in the standard form, not this one, the original one. Leave the original one. We have converted into the standard form. We are using this one only. This upon minus 2, this upon minus 2, this is C. So minus 5 upon 4. Plus into minus will be minus 5 upon 4. It will become 9 upon 4 minus 3 upon 2 will be 9 upon 4 minus 2 square will be plus 4 and minus 5 upon 4. G and F are squared and C is not squared. Remember it, C is not squared. This is minus C. These two are plus, but C is minus and those square of C. Simplify this one. 9 upon 4 minus 4 upon 4. Sorry, 9 upon 4 minus 5 upon 4. It will become 4 upon 4. 9 minus 5 will be 4. 4 upon 4. And plus 4. 4 upon 4 is cancelled, only 1. So 1 plus 4 will become under root 5. The answer is under root 5. This is the answer. 4 upon 4 will become 1.